Greetings and welcome back to the latest tech update. Today we're diving into the world of Dall E3, the cutting-edge AI image generator. Dall E3 stands as a remarkable artificial intelligence system that transforms textual prompts into stunning images. This advancement is the latest iteration of Dall E, a text-to-image model crafted by OpenAI, the brilliant minds behind ChatGPT. Dall E3 has pushed the boundaries by generating images with a four-fold increase in resolution when compared to its predecessor, Dall E2. Moreover, it boasts a deeper understanding of the nuances and intricacies of natural language, making it easier for users to translate their thoughts into visual art. To harness the power of Dall E3, you have two options. Firstly, you can access it for free via Bing Chat. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and navigate to the Microsoft Start homepage. At the top, click on the Bing Chat icon in the search bar. The Bing Chat page will appear, and you can enter a textual description of the image you desire. For example, you could request an image of an alligator dressed in disco attire dancing in Times Square, and just like that, it will materialize before your eyes. This is truly good quality and an intuitive response the likes of which I have not seen as yet. You have a limited number of what Microsoft calls boosts to create images quickly. When these are used up, images can take quite a bit longer to be generated. You can, however, trade in your Microsoft Rewards points to buy some more boosts. If you want to know how to earn these, check out my video on this by clicking on the link in the top right-hand corner. Another way of accessing the image creator is to visit www.bing.com/create. to access the Bing image generator. While I have found little difference between the two methods, it appears that Microsoft may be planning to introduce options for refining image quality, style, and color in future. This feature might be incorporated into the Bing image creator first, although it wasn't available during my exploration. This is something to look forward to if they implement it for everyone, and hopefully this functionality will be free of charge as well. Another useful tip is to integrate ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner and prompt refiner for your image descriptions. ChatGPT can generate tailored and detailed prompts for Dall E3, transforming your ideas into vivid visuals. You can simply visit ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for a specific image you have in mind. I tested it by asking for refinement on my request for a dancing alligator image, and the result was, in my opinion, superior to my initial description. This functionality is already being integrated directly into the paid version of ChatGPT and should be available to all users soon. I compared the images created by Dall E3 with another free AI image generator that employs a model called Stable Diffusion. Using the same prompt for my disco-loving alligator, Dall E3 in Bing outperformed the Stable Diffusion model, producing a more impressive image. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Where Dall E3 truly shines though is in its ability to incorporate text into images. I asked it to generate an image of a man in an office who is standing in front of his laptop, excitedly holding up a sign that has the words "amazing" on it. The results were indeed amazing. However, when I entered the same prompt into the Stable Diffusion model, the text became garbled. This marks a significant leap forward in AI image generation, especially given the historical challenge of text integration across various AI tools. Now let's explore the potential applications beyond whimsical images. Here are three use cases that come to mind. Educational assistance. Dall E3 can be a valuable tool for helping with school projects. For instance, my son needed to create a poster about medieval ships, specifically those used by Christopher Columbus during his voyage to America. Finding a suitable image online can be challenging, but Bing Chat effortlessly produced a relevant image, making future school projects significantly easier. Personalized greetings. Using the image generator to create personalized images for birthday and holiday cards. While the software may require some fine-tuning with some tweaks and assistance from ChatGPT, you can craft heartwarming and fun greeting card images. This could add a unique touch to your celebrations. Business and marketing. Dall E3 can be a powerful asset for businesses. It facilitates the creation of custom images and graphics for marketing campaigns, presentations, reports, newsletters, and prototypes. I asked it to generate images for a hypothetical energy drink named Boost, and it generated multiple options. I truly think this tool can be a game changer for marketing professionals. In summary, Dall E3, available through Microsoft Bing, is a significant leap forward in technology, enabling everyday individuals like me to tap into their creativity. However, it's crucial to note that Microsoft prohibits the commercial use of images created through Bing. If you intend to create images for resale online, you might want to explore openart.ai by following the link in the description below. While it might not be as advanced as Bing, it offers comparable quality without any usage restrictions. Well, that's it for today's video, folks. Trust you found some value in it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next tech update.